is absolutely beautiful where we are at this anchorage. It's the end of a little bay, and we're in a national park on Mljet Island. For now, after this hard work, I think we're gonna go for a swim and enjoy the morning because we got up and moved and to try the stern line. There's Guy! Hope you have a good day. We just gotta scramble up this little path. I just want to see what she looks like from up here. Where are we going, Guy?
I found a really cool little cut in the forest up here.
Yeah?
It goes out to the sea, and you can see the sea.
Awesome!
So I thought I'd show you where it is.
Cool.
This falls in the category of tips for our viewers if you come to this area.
Yeah, where we anchored, you can scramble up the slope onto the road that either takes you into town or the other way where we're walking now, which I haven't been on, to the other side into the ocean or to the sea, right, Guy?
Yeah. Right next to us, we discovered an underwater mooring spot too that somebody had made.
Yeah.
They tied a big cable around a boulder in about 10 feet of water, and there's a big loop on the end. So if you just dive down, you could do a stern tie to this boulder, which was great.
Yeah.
Also, the spot that we picked has 4 big trees, which is unusual for the shoreline right here. So, check the map out.
Guy, how did you find this path? You just looked at Google Earth?
No.
You just decided
Intuition.
Very good. Wow. I mean, I would have walked right by it.
Previous experience as a tracker and wilderness survival
Yeah.
life coach.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, now that swimming looks nice. Ah, so much nicer with the breeze. There's Korcula, where we're headed
Way
next.
Off in the distance.
Yeah. Those are cool.
One of our subscribers wanted to know how we raise the mainsail and do all that stuff. Turn to wind.
Yeah, right now?
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna take this strap off, which is holding our main halyard down. Put the line on. How close are we? Yeah, we're good. We have the main up. out.
Shut the engines off?
Yeah, let's shut the engines off.
Pretty clear though, I think.
Yeah, you got nothing in front of you. Totally clear. Now it's even more quiet. Did you finish your sandwich? Croatia scores. Euro 2020 versus Spain. All the boat horns are going off. Car horns are going off. The bars are cheering.
Walking back from the store.
Hi, Kay.
Hi, Guy.
Where are we?
We're on Korcula Island, or
We're-
Isle of Korcula.
Close to Vela Luka, which
Yes.
is on the
Northwest.
northwest corner of the island of
Yeah.
Korcula.
Yeah.
We included in our last video a little short segment of what did we learn.
Ah, what do we
And
learn?
I want to keep doing that because I think maybe hopefully it will help someone else. Today we tried to go up across the north side of the island, and the forecast was for southeast to northwest wind.
Yeah.
And the wind changed
Yeah.
right after
So
we
it's-
turned the corner around the island, and we just met this headwind, 15 knot headwind, 15 to 18 knots headwind, and the current was opposite of that, so that the seas were
the
really
seas were
confused.
really confused. And you know, we need to do a better job of checking the current. I know that they're westerly,
Yeah.
but it just hasn't seemed to have been a problem for us so far, so we got lazy and didn't check the current.
If you're going to give yourself a grade, you give yourself a grade based on your recovery rather than your failure. And
Or-
you know, the
yeah.
only way that you can gain experience is by actually having the experience. If you don't learn from the experience, then that's obviously not a good thing. But we should judge ourselves on our recovery rather than our failure, because as a new person to any endeavor, you're going to fail. We learned a lot today. I think that's our big takeaway is keep learning. We want to keep learning and not get down on ourselves for a mistake or call it a mistake. It's an experience that we have that we're going to do differently next time.
But anyway.
We did hit 8 knots. Kay at home hit 8 knots.
Yeah, that was fun.
So that was really fun.
Yeah.
And it was only 15 knots of wind.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
So
it just
that's
about
great.
15, yeah.
I'm proud of our boat for doing that. While Kay's cookie dinner, I wanted to thank you for watching our videos. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let us know in the commentary below. Otherwise,
We'll
we'll see you
again.
next time on Sailingblackbird.
Blackbird! Bye-bye! Happy 4th!
How's that for sunset?
Pretty.
Where are we?
Where are we?
Yeah.
Not really sure. I know we're in Croatia.
Where are we?
Where are we? It was a scramble to get here. To find it.
Korcula. We're on the
Oh,
island
the
of
big island. I
Korcula.
thought you meant this little bitty place
No,
that we're at.
we're on an island called Korcula. We're close to Vela Luka on Korcula.